every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! We're gonna need 120 grams of popcorn kernels, 50 grams of butter, melted, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 20 grams of freshly grated Parmesan, and salt and pepper. It seems that this recipe will be one of those short and sweet ones. I'll start by adding vegetable oil together with the popcorn to a large pot. Cover it with a lid and cook for 3 to 4 minutes over medium heat. Basically, until the popping slows down from this to this. At this point, I am going to turn up the heat and let the pot stand for 1 more minute. Now comes the fun part. I will drizzle the popcorn with the butter, sprinkle with the cheese, and some salt and pepper. Give a good mix, and that's it. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? You know what's the most impressive thing? When I mixed everything up, it's barely anything at the bottom. You know how when you make homemade, could you even see it? I just wanted to demonstrate. There are barely unpopped kernels and barely anything on the bottom. Usually when I was making popcorn, I don't know what I was failing. Why? Is it butter? Should I finish a sentence? Anyways, you know how you're always left with everything you put on top of popcorn on the bottom of the pot or pan or whatever, or the bowl, wherever you're mixing? Like sugar. I'm like so excited. Salt would always go down and the popcorn wouldn't be seasoned at all, almost. So I'm like so surprised. What the heck? I tried this recipe so long ago. I think I was living in Turkey at that time, and I don't really remember that it went that well. I don't know. Oh, but you see, oh my god, they're so seasoned. Am I going to watch a movie right now? Like, I'm wrapping this up and I'm going straight to watch a movie because I have popcorn. But you know, one thing which I cannot figure out, well, one was how to season without all the seasonings going to the bottom. Now I think I figured it out. You need to use butter, right? Another thing, my god, they're so salty. They're not as crunchy. You know, when you go to the movies, the popcorn is so crunchy. Also, when you use that packed popcorn, which you just pop in the microwave, that's also crunchy, even though it's with butter. Now, it's sort of crunchy, but also soft. My god, I overdid it with the salt, didn't I? Some of them are crunchy, but I think the ones that I hit with the butter are kind of soft. Some of them are soft. You know, when the middle of the popcorn sticks to your teeth, I cannot figure out how to make them as crunchy as in the movies. Do you know? Would you care to share? In any case, I have popcorn. I have a movie on my laptop. Does girl have some plans for Friday evening? This is great. I mean, it's homemade, so shouldn't I just expect it to be as crunchy and be happy about it? As I clearly cannot stop eating. Oh my god, will this be my dinner today? this. Oh, and I feel like well, I will have some leftovers because it's clearly too much. Not to sell. Use a bigger pot next time. Oh, I feel like I should keep them leftovers in the fridge. I'm all over the place, sorry. I'm just so excited. Look at this! Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So, is this? No, here. Here's how Laura's looks like. Here are mine. Super salty, might I add. I haven't eaten salted popcorn in so long because, of quarantine. And even though I made at home, a few times actually, they were not as salty. All the salt was at the bottom of the bowl. Is that a great success? If you want to see Laura make these, the link is there in the cards if you want to try them out yourself. The recipe is in the description box down below in both imperial and the metric systems. And that's it. If you want more recipes similar to this, the playlist is there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was fun and helpful, and I will see you soon. Bye!